So they started commenting on me. बच्चा है, अम्मा से पूछ के आया था. I was 15 years old. Oh, yes, I was 15 years old. And then I waited for a few minutes for the rowdyism to subside, and then I said, look, I know that I'm not an actor, I'm not a artist or whatever. This is for the first time I'm doing this.
जी.
So you give me a chance. I'm a student too, and you are my fellow students. You're my brother's students. So give me some time. If I'm not good, you have all the right to just throw me back from the stage.
ठीक है.
They said, all right. Few leader kind of students got up and said, oh, better.
ठीक है.
And then I started. And it was absolutely out of sequence. एक आसमान की बात कर रहा हूँ, दूसरी पेट्रोल की बात, तीसरी इसकी, तो it was not what do you call it, coordinated, what do you call it, incorporated properly.
Right.
And but to the best of my surprise, लोग इतने वो हुए, इतने के 10 मिनट के बाद जब मैं बोल रहा था तो there was pen drop silence. And they were all mesmerized. What is, because you see, I started impersonating Gregory Peck, David Niven, Anthony Quinn, and President Kennedy, and blah blah blah. So it was something very new for the audience. Right. A man coming up with a different kind of a performance,
right.
different jokes and all,
right.
and doing it nicely and doing it in a decent way. So I was literally taken by a storm, and I took the crowd by storm, and
they chanted out once more, that's what it. ठीक है.
And then that was the time, you see, that one appearance did the magic for rest of my life.
The first आपको offer कैसे आई? किसने approach किया?
There was some students sitting from another college.
ठीक है.
They came at the backstage and they said, "Ji, we want you to come in our show which is on Saturday and blah blah blah."
अच्छा.
So I said, "अच्छा, ठीक है." Then they took out some money and gave me as an advance.
Wow.
That first 5 rupees or 10 rupees, I don't remember. There were 5 rupees or 10 rupees, but I'm sure that I got the advance, and when I got the advance, I was so contented and I was out of my mind that, oh, I've started earning money now. You see, if the reason I gave up my studies, the reason was money to support my family, and I got the first advance of my life. And I was flying up high in the sky. And
जब आप घर वापस लेके गए तो
you have no idea. I never told that to anybody. And I was trying to hide that 10 rupee note. I used to keep it beneath the pillow and just take it out. Then I used to put it in my pocket. Took out from my pocket, then went into the cupboard and opened the cupboard and kept it in a suit and blah blah. As I was doing nonsense, my acts were absolute nonsense. And then when I did the show, second show, and when I got the money, I remember I got about 20 rupees, 15 or 20 rupees. And then I came and gave it to my mother. My mother said, have you started a job? I said, almost I'm doing a job, but the job is night. It's a night-time job.
ठीक है.
अच्छा रात को तो मैंने, because you see, I had to go in shows in the evenings.
In the evenings.
So I never had the explanations.
तो parents expect करते थे कि this will be the kind of job that you will do.
नहीं. Then one day somebody said कि तुम्हारा बेटा तो बड़ा talented है. My father said, talented? वो ना हिंजार, उसने अपनी जिंदगी खराब कर ली, पढ़ाई छोड़ दी, कहता घर को सपोर्ट करूँगा और पढ़ाई छोड़ दी, और वो क्या टैलेंटेड होगा. कहने लगे साहब ही इज़ एन एक्सेलेंट आर्टिस्ट. कहाँ, वो तो मैंने उसको भी परसों किसी कंपनी के शो में देखा था. यार वो तो बड़ा तूफान है. ओहो अल्लाह माफ करे, वो कौन साहब थे, अल्लाह उनका भला करे. I got an excellent beating from my father. बहुत मारा उन्होंने मुझे. And he said that you have got into this business. तुम हमारी नाक कटवाओगे और फलाना ढिमकाना. Although I don't come from a very well-to-do family, but my father was a mediocre.
लेकिन उस वक्त honor
But
meant
you see,
something
but
different.
yes, you see, he wanted me to study, and he wanted me to. He had higher dreams for me,
जी.
and he used to say that sky is the limit. You keep on working, and you कहने लगे बेटा side by side दोनों भी काम कर सकते हो. You can work and you can study, but I want you to study. मैंने कहा जी पढ़ने में मेरा दिल तो अब लगता नहीं. Let's be very honest.
जी.
उन्होंने बहुत मारा. कहने लगे कि this was the reason you gave up your studies. And actually that was not this. The show business was not the reason.
Exactly.
लेकिन फिर खैर अल्लाह ताला की मेहरबानियाँ होनी थी और I was bound to get popularity by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. तो जिसको अल्लाह ताला देना चाहता है उसको कौन रोक सकता है.